Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. We journey through the ocean deep. Together we will always be. Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green.
Hi guys and welcome. This is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. How are you? Hope you're all well out there in the world. So I've been out and about teaching, singing with a lovely group of women. La 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 la. And A-E-I-O ooh 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 oh I-E-A-A. Now I'm starving. I want to eat quickly. I fancy something with a fishy taste. So what I'm going to do is make vegan fish fillets using 4 ingredients only. Before I carry on, subscribe now. Just go bing. You're not paying any money. I have people asking me I haven't got money. No, when you subscribe you're not paying any money. You're just clicking subscribe, which means you'll get regular notifications letting you know when I'm doing videos. Anyway, here is my vegan fish fillet. Ta-da! Here are my raw ingredients. I have just got some mushrooms chopped up. I'm going to use buckwheat flour, but you can use any flour you want for this, and this is for later because I'm going to have onions and stuff. Add your sliced chopped mushrooms. You can use shiitake mushrooms, but I'm just using any old mushrooms. It is all good. Then I'm going to use my buckwheat flour. That's going to make it all bounded, is that a good word? And then the key ingredient is this. It is kelp powder. Da-da. And I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of this. So then I'm going to add some salt, some garlic powder. Oh look, garlic powder. That's quite a lot, that is actually. A teaspoon of it. That's up to you. How strong you want it. And then you need some baking powder. That's just to give it a bit of a fluff. So a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to add a little bit of ground black pepper. I've run out of the stuff, so I've got to use this. You can add more seasoning to it if you want to, but this is good enough for me. To my mixture, I'm going to add some water, and I'm going to make it into a dough. So now I've made it into a dough. Lovely dough. I'm making them into fillets, and then I think you saw earlier that I made some breadcrumbs. So just literally made some breadcrumbs out of some bread. I put some turmeric in here, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, but you know you don't even need to do that because there's a lot of flavour in what we've done already. I'm literally going to coat my lovely fillet with my breadcrumbs, and in my pan I'm warming up some coconut oil. I always cook with coconut oil. It's the best oil to use if you're going to cook with any oil at all. If you use refined coconut oil, then you won't get that coconut taste. So if you don't want everything to taste of coconut, just use the refined coconut. And I wanted something hearty. I'm so excited to eat this today. I'm so hungry. Now the mushrooms, I just used any old mushrooms. I actually used the wonky mushrooms in the supermarket. But if you really want it to have that kind of fishy texture, you can use mushrooms that can shred, but this is just like normal old mushrooms, yeah. But if you use the other type, it will be fine. There's loads of this here, so when I've cooked this, I might freeze some for another day, or I'm visiting Dad tomorrow, so I might give Daddy some. You know, I'm trying to make him into a plant-based person, keep him here with us a little bit longer. Old habits die hard, as they say. This meal can be eaten in 20 minutes, half an hour. In fact, I'm going to film Dad trying this tomorrow. See what I'm saying. My dad will go, why is it? That's alright. Let's see what he says when he tries it. You may have noticed, although I'm using coconut oil, I still don't use lots of oil. I just try use a little bit because we're not trying to. This is great for eating at Christmas. And if you're transitioning to being vegan and you miss the taste of fish, using kelp powder, perfect. You get that fishy taste from the kelp vegetable. So as I said, I'm hungry right now, Tim. I need my food right now. So while these are cooking, I've got another pan going with some more coconut oil. And I think I showed you earlier, I've just got some red peppers, onions, and a little bit of chili pepper here, and I'm going to gently sweat this off so I can put this on top of our fillets. And these are doing nicely. These are cooked, so to keep them warm, I'm going to put them in the oven and then fry off the final few fillets. Doing it in the oven makes sure that it's cooked through. But nearly there. I've roasted some plantain. The fillets are ready. My onions are lovely and sweated, so I'm going to put over it. I do love cabbage, so I'm going to put some cabbage and carrots and vegetables with my dinner. And it's ready. I'm literally telling you, this is all ready in 20 minutes. Proper vegan dinner, healthy, nutritious. You know, mushrooms are really good for you. Good natural source of vitamin D if you're not getting it from the sun directly.
Rainbow lover, come to me.
We're at theatre and my son is in the Sound of Music.
Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow.
So it's the second half now. I'm a proud mum. This is a proud mum face. And he's doing fantastic. He's playing a soldier, he's playing a waiter, and of course he's singing all the songs. Sounds very good. I'm just a proud mum, proud. Gushing, proud. Not allowed to film it, so never mind. My son was perfect.
Rainbow lover, come to me.
It's dinner time, guys. So with my cabbage, you know, I'm always trying to find different ways to add in nutrition and really good stuff. So I'm going to add some flaxseed oil, just a little bit sprinkling over my lovely cabbage. Good flavour, but healthy. Flaxseed oil is good for you. And if you want to even add some more flavour to your cabbage, you might sprinkle a little bit of soy sauce on the cabbage. And here we are. Now, you could have sauces and stuff with yours. I'm not going to have sauces with mine. So as you can see, the fish is looking good. I've got my plantain, my rice, my carrots, my vegetables. I'm going to give it a try. Delicious. Really tasty. You can really taste that fishy taste from the kelp. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I will see you next time.